Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can make Google your default search engine in the Vivaldi web browser really quickly and without having any advanced technical knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. All you will need to do, guys, is head over to Vivaldi, and as you can see, currently I'm using Bing as my default search engine. However, if you'd like to switch to Google, all you will need to do, guys, is access your browser settings here in Vivaldi. To do that, click on that gear icon in the bottom left corner, and from here simply switch from general to search here on the left hand side, and here to the right you will be given access to a variety of default search engine, like for example for your normal mode as well for the incognito mode here to the right. So simply click on that arrow down icon and switch from the current default search engine to your preferred one, like Google in this case here. And as you can see already here in the top left corner, Google has been established as the main or default search engine here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.